The Monaco Live Steamers Queen's Birthday Weekend 2019 celebrations brought a wide variety of locomotives out for the weekend. However, after 7 years, one locomotive raced steam again. Mallet number 26 was ready for its return to the rails. Number 26, a 2442 Mallet style locomotive, combines an articulated front driver set with a floating pivot and a boiler rigged to the rear engine unit, and the use of a compound style steam delivery. The articulation is achieved by supporting the front of the locomotive with a bogie frame consisting of 2 additional cylinders and 4 drivers. A compound steam locomotive, like number 26, sends high-pressure steam from the boiler to the rear set of cylinders. The exhaust steam from the rear set of cylinders is then sent at low pressure to the front set of low-pressure cylinders. This often led to a locomotive that, whilst still powerful, would have great flexibility around tight tracks. '26 was originally built by Harold Sinclair of New Zealand in 1996. Being the 13th engine and the 17th boiler he built, it was built for its now owner Ian Welsh and last run in early 2013. It sat in the workshop in pieces for several years, awaiting a new copper heat exchanger alongside another Harold Sinclair engine, K36 number 480. The previous steel tube style heat exchanger on every Briggs boiler made by Sinclair had reached the end of its life due to the fact it could not be washed out. Recommissioning work began in March 2019, with the new wetback copper heat exchanger being installed, pistons and valves being removed and checked, both pumps being disassembled and overhauled, plumbing being removed and cleaned, the underframe receiving some much needed work, and many more smaller jobs. It had its official boiler ticket issued at the Hutt Valley Model Engineering Society in Petone, New Zealand, and it did some light running in on that day. Credit from the restoration work goes to Philip Drummond, who sunk hours of his time into it, but also many others behind the scenes like Mike Wilcox, who came up with the ingenious heat exchanger design, and those who do not wish to be named. Mallet number 26 ran well all weekend at Monaco, especially for an engine that had its first real test run for the first time in 7 years. Enjoy some footage of this locomotive working its way around the 2 tracks.